What's up guys, welcome to 5 Minute School. It's just a very quick video today. I thought it would be interesting to show you guys how much money I made from one of my more recent videos, which reached about 600,000 views in total. So something different, something kind of behind the scenes. I'd also like to thank all you guys because I just reached 50,000 subscribers, so thank you. Anyway, let's get into the video. So here is the analytics for this hantavirus video, which we received about 600,000 views. You can see here it was uploaded on the 23rd of March, and initially on the first day I received £96.17. Until now, the total amount the video has earned me is £109.48. Now, I'm not saying I don't appreciate that amount of money. £109.48 is a lot of money. However, for 600,000 views, it is usually expected to earn maybe triple or even like 6 times more than that, because they say in general for 1 million views on YouTube you should be expecting to earn about £1,000 to £2,000. But it really depends on the type of channel that you have. Some channels just tend to earn a lot more money, and those would be channels which are more dedicated towards technology, finance, or even channels which are aimed kind of towards kids, those children entertainment channels. My channel is more, an education-based channel, and I don't really make YouTube videos to earn money. It's not like YouTube is my main source of income, but I think in general, just educational channels don't tend to be the big earners, just because the type of people watching these videos are more like students who in general don't really spend as much money as like an investor or someone who's into finance. So yeah, it's low. Obviously £109 for 600,000 views is quite a low amount, but it's what to be expected for, this type of channel. I hope that was kind of interesting for you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm also going to be making more educational kind of videos, so any topics you'd like me to cover, just write them in the comment section below, and I will speak to you guys later.